Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyanka and you're watching Priyanka Vlogs. I make all kinds of recipe, travel, reviews and the usual vlogs at regular intervals. But today I'm going to talk more about a product that I recently discovered, Coffee Mate. So the question is, what exactly is a Coffee Mate? A Coffee Mate is a non-dairy coffee creamer which is manufactured by Nestle, which means that it is completely lactose free. So if you're somebody who's lactose intolerant, you can definitely go ahead with this and use it to prepare coffee. So I have done a lot of research about this product. I would be quite honest, this is not one of the most healthiest options, but if you are somebody who's struggling to make good coffee sitting right there at home and do not want to step out of your house to any cafe or restaurants, then I think this should be a perfect fit for you guys. So I have got this product from Amazon. It is also available in most of the departmental stores outside. And if you go through the ingredients, you'll come to know about the variants that they have used, which seems quite okay to me. And since I'm using it for the first time, I'm going to share with you a very blunt experience. And I'm going to talk more about how my experience was for the first time. So I bought Coffee Mate out of two genuine reasons. Yes, like literally, I had two basic reasons of buying this. One is that I'm not a good coffee maker. Like, I cannot make a good coffee sitting at home because I don't have a coffee machine or something like that. But the second thing why I opted for this is that I really don't like the taste, the heavy flavor of milk after you make coffee. So I wanted something which is a little lighter on my tongue, and I wanted the taste of coffee and not the taste of milk to linger all the time. So that is why I opted for this lighter creamer option. And this is the original Coffee Mate flavor, but in the market you get all kinds of flavors, cinnamon, vanilla, hazelnut, all sorts of it. So if you can see, it is about 400 grams of quantity that you have in this bottle, and about 60 to 66 cups of coffee that you can approximately make. And let me be very clear, it is a coffee creamer and not a milk powder. A lot of people get confused about it. So this product was made or manufactured on in the year 2019, and it is going to last me for about 2021, which means that approximately 2 years of period of consumption comes along with each and every product. This product costed me about, I think, 350 rupees after the discount from Amazon, but you get it from other departmental stores as well. I think it's available in some of the major departmental stores. One thing which is really good about this product and the packaging is that it comes with a nozzle. So if you're somebody who's doing work and simultaneously trying to make coffee single-handed, it comes really handy and convenient. So you can just open this nozzle and drop it in your coffee wherever you're making it. And also, I would like to show you how it looks. So that's the reason why people confuse it with milk powder. It looks very similar but completely different from that. To make this coffee, I'll take instant coffee powder. I've taken brew, you can take any other brand. If you have a filter machine, then you can also use filter coffee for that matter. Obviously, for obvious reasons, we're going to use Coffee Mate because we are testing how it tastes and how to make a coffee out of it. And of course, a vessel to boil off your water. I'm going to exactly measure about 1 cup of water because that's all that you're going to need. You're not going to add milk, so it's just the quantity of the water which decides how much coffee you're going to take. And I've kept the water to boil, and sidewise I'm going to do the preparation. I'm going to take sugar. You can take the amount of sugar according to your taste. I'm taking about 1.5 spoon of sugar. I'm taking about 1.5 teaspoons of coffee, depending again upon how strong or light you want it. Water is boiled now. In just 2 minutes, I'm going to pour all that water inside, and now comes the main part or the main ingredient, which is obviously the Coffee Mate. So I'm going to add about 2.5 teaspoons of Coffee Mate over here, but depending upon the kind of flavor that you want, the kind of taste that you want, how strong, how light or how creamy, you can obviously change the quantity of Coffee Mate that you want to use. And now we're going to stir everything really nicely, really properly, because if you do not do so, then you're going to see the lumps or particles of the cream on top of your coffee, which obviously nobody likes. So stir it nicely for about a minute or so. As the more you stir, the more smooth the coffee becomes. So like you saw, guys, in just about 2 to 3 minutes, you can get yourself a hot steaming cup of coffee right there at your home at all your conveniences at any time. And with that, I'm going to just sit and enjoy my cup of coffee. If you're going to try it at home, please do not forget to tag me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is Priyanka underscore vlogs. I'll be putting down all the details in the description box below. So that's it, guys, for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you've liked it, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Do like and share my video. And I will see you next time with another recipe, another vlog, another travel video. Never know. Take care. Bye.